Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for August 28th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair surged to the downside, overall moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go up to 79.02, possibly as low as 78.16. Look for some resistance around 78.85 and look for some support around 78.35. Now the Euro-USD pair, this pair surged to the upside, closed higher, moving sideways. Long-term bias is to the upside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 126.68, possibly as low as 124.02. Look for some resistance around 125.86 and look for some support around 124.65. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair closed up after moving much lower, ran into real close to previous areas of resistance that is now support. Look for this pair to potentially go as high as 159.07, possibly as low as 156.98. Look for some resistance around 158.69 and look for some support around 157.50. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed down during this last session, overall moving sideways. Long-term bias to the downside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 0.9680 on a reversal, possibly moving down to 0.9475. Look for some resistance around 0.9633 and look for some support around 0.9537. Now as far as news announcements go, we do have the German Consumer Price Index being released for August. Of course that will affect the euro. Consensus on that is that it has moved a little bit higher from 1.7% up to 1.9%. Then at 8:30 a.m. Eastern, we have the U.S. releasing their gross domestic product annualized for the second quarter. They're showing an increase from 1.5% up to 1.7%. Then a little bit later at 2 p.m. Eastern, we have the U.S. Fed releasing the Beige Book Economic Survey. That's the Fed Beige Book Economic Survey being released tomorrow. Of course, most of the numbers have already been released, so it shouldn't move the market all that much, but you definitely need to keep an eye on it just in case. Now, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, the US-Japanese yen pair has created a swing trade opportunity. This opportunity is going to be a very quick scalp of about 10 pips. But nonetheless, I do believe if we get a break here of this line around the 78.44 mark, that it will come down about 10 pips to the 78.34 area, 35, 34. It's a quick 10 pip scalp. That's all it really is a 10 pip scalp. Looking for a short off of 78.42. Or 44 rather, and then looking for it to come down to 78.34 to grab those 10 pips. Well, I hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.